Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when all of my videos are coming up. What if I told you I only paid $7.70 for all the items that you see here pictured? That's right, just $7.78 for 10 items. If you want to see how I was able to pay that for these 10 items, then come on, let's watch the video. All right, we have a first deal that is a no coupons needed deal. I only paid 50 cents for these, or 25 cents each for these ready sports drinks. You can find these with the Gatorade in your Publix. So these are four for $5, but I was gonna pick up just two of them at $1.25 each. When I pick up two of them, they're gonna be $2.50. Heading over to Checkout 51, you can submit this for $1 each. So you could do this deal up to 3 times, getting $1 back per bottle of this sports drink. And making it, like I said, just 50 cents for both or 25 cents each. So I think it's a great deal. So this is the only coupons deal that I use this entire transaction actually. This is the Natalie juice. You can find it in the refrigerated section in the produce area. I've gotten this before actually, and it is quite good. I actually got the beet and the orange juice. So the Natalie's juice is on BOGO. When you buy one, it's going to be $1.25. If you go to the Natalie's website, you don't have to sign up with email or anything, but you'll be able to print this dollar coupon, which makes it 25 cents. And then on IBOTTA, you'll get a 10 cents any juice rebate, which is awesome because it helped me to get to my bonus today, making this juice just 15 cents each. I was very excited, but even if you do not have the IBOTTA any item for 10 cents, 25 cents for this juice is pretty awesome considering it's one of these really natural and, you know, healthy juices. So pick it on up. All right, so this is a great deal for me, even though it's not like a really super cheap one, but I like it because it's something that I like to purchase. I love Kettle cooked chips. These Lay's chips are on sale this week, 2 for $6. So one bag is gonna be $3. There's a digital Publix coupon when you buy 2 bags that takes $1 off. So it brings the chips down to $5 or $2.50. And then there's an any chip IBOTTA item for 10 cents back. So another any item for 10 cents back, making the chips just $4.90. So I think that's a great deal for 2 bags of chips. So that'll make it, what, $2.45 per bag of chips. All right, so the next deal we have is a money maker. This is going to be on the Wick Warmers, the 2 count. These are $3.59. There is a $3.99 coupon on the Publix app, making this a 40-cent moneymaker. So make sure you check that out. So pretty great deal on the Wick Warmer. So this is a favorite at my job. Everyone loves when I walk in with the Chobani creamer. These are $2.50. I thought I had some paper coupons for these, but I did not. I'm not sure if you do in your paper, but I was able to head on over to IBOTTA and submit on IBOTTA for $1 back. And then the great thing about it was I actually had 3 any item IBOTTAs at the end of my receipt when I went through it all, which was really cool. So that's $1.30 that I was able to take off these Chobanis. You may not have those any items, but I had all 3 of those that were able to come off. You may just have the $1. And then I headed over to Checkout 51 and got $1 back from Checkout 51 as well. So that's a total of getting back $2.30 with IBOTTA rebates and Checkout 51. I even checked the Publix app just to make sure there wasn't any coupons for the Chobani creamer, because there was coupons for the Chobani yogurt, the probiotic drink, and the Chobani milk. So if those are something you eat, you might want to go and see if it's on the Publix app for you. Those items are also going to be on things like Checkout 51 and IBOTTA, so check them out. So 20 cents each for this Chobani creamer, and so I will be the hero when I walk in tomorrow at work. All right, got another no coupons needed on this Fayette Yogurt. It is $1.25. Now, you can find this cheaper at Walmart. They are $1, but I do not have any in my store right now, so I'm going to pick these up at $1.25. Submitting to IBOTTA for 50 cents each, and you can do this deal 2 times, bringing it down to just 75 cents each on this Fayette Yogurt. We have another Fayette. This is going to be on the total blended. You're going to buy 2 of these at $1.25 each, making it $2.50. Then we're going to submit to IBOTTA for, this is a BOGO actually on IBOTTA, but it says $1.50 on IBOTTA. So you'll submit to IBOTTA for $1.50, making these just $1 each, or $1 for both, or 50 cents each. So I think it's a pretty great deal. It's even cheaper than the other one, but make sure you scan it in the store and make sure you pick up the right one. 50 cents each with IBOTTA. All right, so the Nature's Own Butter Bread is a favorite in my house, and I love when I can get a good deal on a favorite thing in my house. So these are $1.83 with BOGO, so you can just pick up one instead of 2 of them. Then on IBOTTA, you can submit for 35 cents on the Nature's Own Butter Bread, and there's also a 10 cents any item. So that's 45 cents on IBOTTA, making this just $1.38. 38 cents per pack of bread. Considering these are usually like $3.50, I will definitely take this yummy bread for $1.38. So this is my deal of the day. I love the deal of the day. This is on the Arm & Hammer laundry pods. These are usually $6.99, but we're getting these just for 50 cents each and no coupons needed. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 2 of them. When we do, it's going to be $7. Picking up both of those, so $3.50 each on that. Submit to Swagbucks for $6. I've already got my Swagbucks money back, so it worked beautifully. Getting that back will make this $1 for both, or 50 cents each. I love a no coupons needed deal. Pick it up. So the only thing I forgot to photograph in the store was the Ballpark beef franks. We buy these every single week. They're usually $5 to $6 no matter what store we go to, but I was able to pick these up this week for just $3.59 for the Ballpark beef franks. So I was excited about that because it was a no coupons needed deal. They're BOGO this week, and like I said, they're usually $6 or more at Publix, maybe $5 at Walmart. There was no IBOTTA, Swagbucks, Shopkicks, none of that, but just $3.59, a great deal on hot dogs. And considering we're going to be eating these tomorrow night when we grill out, makes me all happier. Also, do not forget that I was able to pick up that midweek moneymaker bonus from IBOTTA. I was able to get $5 when I got 10 rebates. And actually, I think I got 11 rebates because of all those any rebates really helped me out. And remember, whenever I'm getting that bonus, I'm using that money to pay for my things like milk and juice and meat and vegetables that I'm not able to get coupons on. So all in all, everything that you see in the picture, I paid less than $8 for. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I really appreciate it. I will be going to Walmart later on in the week and hopefully Kroger as well. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.